Okay, I'm going to try to show you the shift mechanism of this Adler. It's the part in my spotlight right there. This piece controls the travel of the capital setting. That down there controls the lowercase, which is the one where you're having trouble. When I hit the shift key, the key drops down, and that nylon button on the left hits the frame and controls the setting of the capital letters. When I let go, that piece on the right pops up like that, down, capital letters, lowercase letters. It comes up and hits the frame again, and that controls the alignment of the lowercase letters. If that's not coming up all the way, your lowercase letters are going to be writing below where they should be. So if there's something in the way there, oh, also look, there's a spring. This is symmetrical. The other side is exactly the same, okay? It's just a mirror image. If those springs aren't pulling all the way back up, the key basket won't return to its full rest position. So we need to see if there's anything impeding the travel of that key basket.